What's up, guys? EB Coast here, back with another Twizzler Sister Gravity construction update from opening day 2025. So let's go take a look. So as you can see, the ride structure is nearly complete, just waiting on the gondolas to be installed. So looking at it from this angle, there's a few things I wanted to point out. First off, the pathway leading up to the overlook food court patio is being constructed. They started painting the ride foundation red, and they're still working on building the queue. So due to the construction right now, the pathway after Great Bear's Bridge is currently closed. Also, this pathway leading down to Super Duper Looper is closed due to the construction, and the overlook food court patio is closed as well. So looking at it from the Great Bear Plaza, as you can see, the op boot still has yet to go in, as well as electrical work still needs to take place before the ride begins testing and finishing up that platform and the area surrounding the ride.
Place on Earth. With Milton Hershey's support, houses, businesses, and entertainment Hershey School, Hershey Entertainment and Resorts, and the Hershey Company are proud to help fulfill the.
So that does it for this Twizzler Twister Gravity construction update. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and make sure to stay tuned for when the ride is fully complete and starts testing, as well as when it debuts. I'm EB Coaster, and I'll see you guys next time.
Remain seated, facing forward, keeping your head against the headrest.